ba mag-order ng GCash Visa card? First, open natin yung GCash app natin. Tapos dito makikita nyo, may nakalagay na cards. Click lang natin yan. As you can see, may GCash Mastercard na ako. Pero gusto ko pang mag-order ng GCash Visa card. So, click natin tong order a GCash card. Tapos, eto, order a card. Click. Then, send me a card. Okay, click that one. Bali, 250 lahat ng babayaran natin. Click lang natin tong next. Tapos, delivery information. Fill upan lang natin to. Okay. Then, pagkatapos nating fill upan yan, hit next. Then, review lang natin information natin. Make sure na tama lahat. So, guys, yung GCash card is 185 peso. Plus, delivery fee na 65. Bali, nasa 250 lahat. Tapos, checkan lang natin tong terms and conditions. Then, click natin tong confirm. Pay 250 pesos. Proceed. Then, yan. Order successful. Your card will be delivered soon. Please see the expected delivery times below. Okay, it's done. So, mag-aantay na lang tayo na ma-deliver ang ating Visa card. Thank you guys for watching.